In this video, I'll show you how to connect your PC computer to the Brother MFC-J1205w. How to connect them using the Wi-Fi. I'll make a separate video. Check my channel if you want to connect them using a USB cable. But in this one, I'll show you only the Wi-Fi and also how to print and how to scan wirelessly. Let's get started. First step is to go on your computer. You need to open an internet browser. I'll open Microsoft Edge, and you need to search for Brother MFC-J1205w. Search on Google or on any other platform, and one of the first options should be the official Brother website. Click on it. It should bring you on the download page related to your printer. If not, type on Google Brother MFC-J1205w downloads, and it should give you in the first result this page. Then select which Windows you have, it's Windows 11, and then press OK. Then go down and you have multiple options. The easiest one that you can download is full driver and software package. Then go down, click agree, and the download will start. It should take about 2 or 3 minutes depending on how fast your internet connection is. Wait until it's downloaded and launch the file. I'll click open file. You can close your web browser, press yes. Now you're going to select your language. I'll keep it English, press next. Click I accept and press next. Now you want to select wireless network connection, Wi-Fi. Press next. It will search for your machine, and if it does not appear, don't worry. What you need to do is very simple. You see over here on your printer, the Wi-Fi light, this one that is blinking on my printer, should be blinking. You need to go on the control panel of your printer. Keep press this Wi-Fi button. If you see the screen, simply press next. Then the name of your printer should appear in the list. Select it, press next. Now you just have to wait. Once this is done, you're going to get this screen. Press next, and finally finish. It will bring you on the Brother's website. You can close it. We don't need whatever they're trying to show us here. Now it's time to show you how to print and also how to scan. So open any file you would like to print on your PC. Let's say I want to print this file. Go ahead and select the print icon. Under printer, select your printer. This is not a Canon, so I'll click here and I'll select the Brother MFC. Choose how many copies you want, which page to print. Do you want to print in color or in black and white? And click print. Perfect. This is how you print. Now let me show you how to scan. To scan, you'll need to go on your Windows computer and in the search bar here, type scan. You're going to get the scanner app. If you don't have the scan app that comes included on most PCs these days, go in the Windows Microsoft Store, type scan and download the scan app made by Microsoft. Open the app. This is how it looks. Now let me show you how to input the paper. Open the scan lid. Let's say I want to scan the page over here. I'll simply put it facing down with the top part of your page, okay, towards the right side. Then align this corner where you see the arrow with the corner of your paper. Glide them both until they're touching. Close the lid. The app, make sure that under scanner you have your Brother scanner selected. PNG over here, you can select JPEG instead if you're scanning a picture, or if you're scanning text, choose PDF. This is the most used. You have color mode, But if you prefer scanning black and white, click here and select black and white. And resolution, by default it's 200, which is great for anything that is text. But if you're scanning a picture, I select usually 600 or 1200 dpi. This will give you the best details, the best results. Unfortunately, it also means that your file will be quite large and it will take a while to scan. If you select 200 dpi, usually it takes around 13 seconds. If you select 1200 dpi, it could take a few minutes, 3 or even 4 or 5 minutes. So this is just something to keep in mind. For this example, if I'll just select over here 200 and also save file to, well, select the file, the folder on your computer where you would like the scan to go. Press the scan button once you're ready, and the scan will begin. And as I said, since I selected 200, it will only take around 12 seconds. Okay, you're gonna get the message over there that it has been scanned, and you can press view to view your scan. It will open whatever you have just scanned. So this is it. This is what my scan looked like. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, but also leave a comment down below. If you have more time and you want to shop for some ink or some paper or even a brand new printer, check my Amazon affiliate links down below. You support my channel every time you shop through my Amazon affiliate links. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.